To apply for a Truist Bank USA credit card, here are some simple steps. 1. Check for offers, optional but recommended. Go to the Truist website and look for a section like Credit Cards or Offers. Truist often has a tool where you can check for pre-qualified offers without impacting your credit score. This can give you an idea of which cards you might be eligible for. 2. Choose a credit card. Review the different Truist credit card options available. Consider factors like rewards, cashback, travel points, etc., annual fees, introductory APRs and other benefits, your spending habits. 3. Gather your information. Before you start the application, make sure you have the following information readily available. Personal information, your full name, address, including 2 years of address history, date of birth, and social security number. Contact information, phone number and email address. Employment and income information, details about your current employment and your income. 4. Start the online application. Visit the Truist Bank website and navigate to the credit card you've chosen. Click on the Apply Now or similar button. You will be directed to an online application form. 5. Fill out the application form. Carefully and accurately complete all the required fields in the application form. This will include the information you gathered in Step 3. 6. Review and submit. Before submitting, take some time to review all the information you've entered to ensure it's correct. Read the terms and conditions of the credit card agreement. Once you are satisfied, click the Submit button. 7. Wait for a decision. Truist will review your application. In some cases, you might receive a decision relatively quickly online. However, it can sometimes take a few days or even weeks to get a response. Important considerations. Credit freeze. If you have a credit freeze with Equifax or TransUnion, you will need to temporarily lift it before applying, as Truist will use this information to verify your identity. Co-applicant. If you wish to apply with a co-applicant, you will likely need to visit a Truist branch or call their customer service at 844-4 844-487-8478. Secured credit card. If you are applying for a secured credit card, you will need to be prepared to make a security deposit. That's the general process. The Truist website will guide you through the specific steps for the card you choose. Good luck.